The EMV transition is sweeping the country. And if you are a restaurant establishment, now is the time to prepare. These payment cards, which are embedded with a microchip, provide a higher level of security than traditional magnetic stripe cards and help prevent counterfeit card fraud. The latest EMV-enabled payment terminals are available in countertop, short-range wireless Bluetooth, and long-range wireless GPRS models to fit your business needs. The iWL220B Bluetooth terminal is an all-in-one solution that offers an integrated pin pad and printer and the ability to accept multiple payment types, whether it's a traditional magnetic stripe card, EMV chip card, or a contactless payment type such as a mobile wallet. Let's take a look at how to conduct sales transactions for each of these three different payment types. To begin a sale, press Enter and select the Sale option from the menu. Select whether the cardholder will be paying with a credit or debit card. If prompted, enter Server ID and then the amount of the transaction and pass the terminal to Customer. Customer will confirm the amount and choose the appropriate tip option. Then swipe, tap, or insert their card. To process a magnetic stripe transaction, the cardholder will swipe their card, then accept or change the amount. If the transaction is debit, the cardholder will enter their PIN. If the transaction is credit, the customer will pass terminal to merchant, who will enter the last 4 digits of the card. To process an EMV chip card, the cardholder will insert their chip card, leaving it in the chip reader until the transaction is complete. Cardholder will choose to accept or change the amount and then may be required to enter their PIN or sign for the transaction. To process a contactless transaction such as a mobile wallet, the cardholder will hold their device over the terminal display until it beeps, then choose to accept or change the sales amount and pass terminal to merchant. Voiding is used when you need to cancel a transaction that has recently been processed. The void must be processed before the settlement is done at the end of the day. To process a void, press the Enter key and select Void. Select the appropriate search option and locate the one you wish to void. Select Yes to confirm the void or No to cancel the void. Refunding a transaction enables you to return a portion or the entire amount you charge the customer when a transaction has already been settled and sent for funding. To process a refund, press Enter and select Return from the menu. Choose the payment type, then enter the amount. Pass the terminal to customer to swipe, tap, or insert the card on which the amount is to be refunded. A settlement sends the finalized transactions to your payment processor. It confirms that you have finished for the day and are ready to submit a group of transactions to be processed for payment. To settle your terminal, press Enter and press the down arrow until you see the option for settlement. Select Yes to close the batch and deposit funds. The terminal will display your total sales transactions for the day. Select Accept to continue. The terminal will display your total refund transactions for the day. Select Accept to continue. The terminal will then settle your open transactions and print a report. It's that simple. EMV terminals enable you to accept multiple payment types and improve your customer's experience while reducing the risk of counterfeit card fraud. Effective on October 1, 2015, counterfeit fraud liability, which has traditionally been assumed by the card issuer, will be assumed by any party that does not enable EMV. Ensure your business is protected with an EMV-enabled POS terminal.